This is Quesotronic, and thank you for checking out my first Amazon product review. So, I'd like to replace the monitor stand that I have on my desk. I'm currently using a metal stand that I bought from Walmart, but it leaves a bit to be desired. So this time, I'm looking into this glass monitor stand from Hemudu. Specifically, I need this 22-inch version. The stand looks pretty good on paper. It looks like it's a decent height, width, and the legs are stainless steel, so it should be sturdy. For only about $30, with a 4.5-star rating, it sounds like a solid buy, but I want to look at the reviews first. So just looking at the overall ratings here, it should be sturdy and easy to assemble. But what I want to do is I want to look at some of the low ratings. I like to look at the 1 and 2-star ratings just so I can see what the complaints are. I just want to see if there's anything legit there. Plus, if I read the low reviews, I should be avoiding any of the fake ones. Alright, well these reviews look like they're mostly from 2018, so let's try and find something a bit recent. Overall, I see some fairly decent reviews, but that really isn't what I'm looking for right now. Alright, let's see, Mrs. C. She says it's easy to assemble, but it gets a 1-star because it isn't tall enough. Adrash gives it 2 stars because the legs are flimsy and it's smaller than shown. Okay, well those are the 2 worst reviews from recent time right now, so I think I'm going to go ahead and buy it and give it a shot and see what we find. So for the packaging itself looks okay. I don't see there doesn't appear to be any damage to the packaging or anything like that. I mean a small nick here, but that's nothing major. Okay, let's see what's inside. Simple enough. Let's go ahead and open that up. Okay. So obviously we've got the assembly instructions. Tearing off the protective paper on the surface. Move this tangentially with 2 persons. I don't think that's going to be a problem. Alright. Just some connectors in the feet. A little light. They look like they're supposed to look like metal, but I'm pretty sure that's plastic. Still not horrible. Probably put a padding on the ends of the feet. And then the bulk of this little glass shelf, which doesn't seem bad. Looks good. Okay. Yeah, looks like that's pretty good quality. Alright, well, let me go ahead and... Well, actually, I can put this together right here. Let's see how this goes. So I know these feet are adjustable. Let's see. Okay. So according to these little instructions, I need to put these little pegs in first, which is fine. Guess I should flip this over, right? It might help. Alright. Let's see how... Looks like it'll be pretty easy to put together. Just screws in there a little bit. I get a leg and screw it on. This one doesn't align perfectly, but still, it's not going to be that big of a deal. Okay, so they're kind of like a rubbery or silicone kind of material right there. Okay, so super easy again. You just pull it off and stick it on the thing. I guess the biggest thing is whether or not I can get this paper off. If I can get this paper off, we'll be set. There we go. There we go. And then just loop it down right there in the middle, assuming I'm capable of that.
gosh. Okay, so far this is the most difficult part of this whole process here, is just get this paper off of these little gel-like pads. Yeah, these little feet can be adjusted as well. Okay, so they just come out if you've gone too far. So far, the glass itself seems alright. Seems like a good quality. I like the design seems nice. Fairly minimalistic. Ooh, look at this. I think that's my record on these ones. Cool. Alright, it's put together. I'll have to just... Alright, it's pretty sturdy actually. So it doesn't rock around. Pretty decent gappage there. Let's see, I've got a ruler somewhere. Alright. I think it was supposed to be... I don't remember. Okay, but it's roughly 3 inches to the bottom. Of course, you know, the adjustable feet, you could probably get at least 2 more inches if you needed to or wanted to. So, yeah, not bad. I think it'll do what I want it to do.
So here's what it looked like before with my old monitor stand. It wasn't bad, but it kind of bowed in the middle and it wasn't quite wide enough. Here's the new monitor stand. I really like the design. It matches my glass desk. It's wider. The legs are actually quite sturdy. As far as the legs being plastic or stainless steel, honestly, I really don't know. But I do know that they are sturdy. They work. I don't have an issue with them. So I think it's worth the buy, especially at $30. I really like the design. Thank you for watching.